Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video, I'm gonna give you the tour of this Airbnb here in downtown Budapest. This place is awesome. It's a little studio apartment, but all the space is really well designed. And I wanna start with when you check in. You definitely walk up some creepy staircases. You'll probably be like, am I in the right place? Trust me, you're in the right place. Once you get into the unit, you'll be blown away. The ambiance in here is wonderful. In the kitchen, you've got just about everything that you would need. And one of the biggest perks in the kitchen, which you might think it's funky that it's in a kitchen, but hey, it's a studio apartment, is you have a washer, which, trust me, that is a huge get, especially in Europe and when you're in a small space like this. If you're gonna be staying for a longer period of time, very nice to have a washer, and it works very well. You have a little table for two that you can sit at, very nice. And as you can see, all of the lighting, all of the decor in here is just beautiful, elegant, very consistent throughout. Definitely sets the mood in here. Now, one thing that a lot of people would be looking for is maybe a couch. You don't have a couch, but instead you have these two red chairs, and they are comfortable. They're right across from the TV, plenty of room, and the space, even though it's a studio and it is definitely a small space, it feels very open because you have nothing closing it off. Also, you got this big mirror right here. Very good use of this mirror. You can see it right there. Hi, waving to you backwards somehow. But that mirror really helps open things up. And then right before you hit the stairs, you have the bathroom. Not too much to look at in the bathroom. You got a toilet. You got a walk-in shower, very nice, good water pressure, warm water, all good. And then throughout Europe, and especially in this place, you got these things. If you know what this is, comment in the comment section down below. If you already do know what it is or you do not like this video, I don't know what I'm saying. It is actually a drying rack for your towels, but more so like a warming rack. There's heat that goes through there. That way, whenever you get out of the shower, you've got warm towels, which, it makes a world of a difference. You do have a bedroom. You walk up these stairs. Up here, you've got your bed, your little bedroom area. And let me tell you, this bed is comfy. This is like one of the highest quality beds that we've had in an Airbnb. I wouldn't recommend this if you're super tall. I'm about 5'10" on a good day. So it's perfect for me. But if you're like someone who's 6'5", might not be the best to be up there. But otherwise, again, fully functional. It's a very, very comfortable place to stay, especially if it's your first time in Budapest. I couldn't recommend this place enough. $53 definitely felt like good value. So for us, big thumbs up. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section down below. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll catch you guys next time.